This is how you make chili garlic noodles. Are you a fan of spicy food? Do you love noodles? Then you have come to the right place. Spicy, warm, and yet full of flavor. A beautiful balance between tangy, sweet, salty, and sour. There are few ingredients and very simple preparation. Those are my chili garlic noodles. And here is how you make it. Chop 2 shallots and white parts of 3 spring onions. If you like this video, please subscribe and leave me a comment. Chop the green parts of the spring onions as a garnish. Finally grate 4 cloves of garlic and about 2 teaspoons of ginger. Let's prepare the sauce. I use Lee Kum Kee's chili garlic sauce as the main ingredient. I put 1 big tablespoon in my bowl, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, half of a teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of black vinegar, 1 tablespoon of dark sweet soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix and set aside. 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 500 grams of ground pork. Break it down with your spatula. After 1 or 2 minutes, season your meat with 1 teaspoon of salt, half of a teaspoon of black pepper. The meat will start releasing water. Let that water boil out and let the meat crisp. When meat is releasing oil, add 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing rice wine and cook it for another 2 minutes. Then add shallots and spring onions. When it starts to glisten, add grated garlic and ginger. Add sauce. Meanwhile, prepare your noodles. I use pre-boiled udon noodles and it takes 1 or 2 minutes to cook. I have 2 packs, each 200 grams. Remember to use chopstick or another utensil to help separate each noodles from another. Add noodles into the pan. Give it 1 or 2 minutes and you are done. Serve it in the bowl and add extra ground meat on top. Sesame seeds and green parts of spring onions like garnish. Bon appetit! Thank you for watching and see you next time.